Welcome to our presentation, which will include the following: diving into the steps, stages, elements which make strong social media strategy, exploring the significance of preparation to ensure that your social media activities are not just rational but strategic as well, providing practical insights and examples which can be applied to any organization. Before proceeding further, firstly, my team includes FAM, Yusuf, Zilola, and IMA. Now we will explore the key steps for developing infrastructure social media strategy and proactive measure to avoid reactive social media activities. By understanding this element, organization can leverage social media to be with their brand, engage with the audience, and desired outcome. Now we will begin by dividing to the stages and elements that constitutes from social media strategy, from defining goals and understanding the target audience to selecting the right platform and creating engaging content. We will guide you through the process of developing comprehensive brand that align with the organization objective. Now we will explore the importance of preparation to ensure that your social media activities are not merely rational but strategic by establishing a social media policy, maintaining a crisis management plan, and employing social listening tunes. You can proactively shape your online presence and effectively respond, enforcing event. By the end, you will have a solid understanding of the key components that make up a successful social media strategy and the necessary preparation to navigate the dynamic social media landscape. First, we need the best and well-structured social media strategy. So we need to identify goals and the objective, like begin by clearly defining organization goals and objective. By using social media, determine what you want to achieve, such as increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, engaging with customer, and generating lead. Then you need to define your target audience analysis, like understand your target audience demographic preference and behavior on social media. This analysis will help you to tailor your content and messaging to zone it with your audience effectively. Next, you have to choose the social media platform that align with target audience and business objective. Each platform has its own strength, user demographic, so focus on platform where your target audience is most active. Then you need to develop a company strategy and reflect your brand voice, values, and objectives. Plan the type of content you will create, such as informative articles, videos, images, and interactive parts. Ensure your content is engaging, shareable, and relevant to your target audience. Consistent printing is important. Maintain consistent printing across all social media channels. Use your print logo, colors, and tones of voice to create a cohesive and recognizable brand identity. So you need to actively engage with the audience by responding to comment message and encourage conversation, address concern, and show appreciation for your followers. Be a sense of community around your brand. Last but not least, you need to regularly monitor your social media analytics to check the performance of your post, engagement level, and follower growth. Analyze the data and gain insights and make data-driven decisions for optimizing your strategy. Now, here we are using Netflix company in this part as a practical example. The first thing to prevent reactive communication is to stop reflexive conversation. Here, scenario planning should be implemented, which refers to business needs to think of possible outcomes. Think about what might go wrong, like people not liking new content, services interruption or issues. They can also make answer templates for common situations to make sure their communication is well thought out and consistent. Next, crisis communication exercises. This means the company can test Netflix teams ready for a crisis and speed up reaction times by holding crisis communication exercises or teaching social media teams how to communicate during a crisis while stressing the need for clear decision making. Next, monitoring all the time. Social media listening tools should be used to keep an eye on what people are saying and thinking about Netflix. Now, next is issue detection. Be on the lookout for new problems and possible situations so that you can move quickly. Next is set rules for making decisions. Clear ways to make decisions whereby will be made during crisis include who will make the most important decision, how things can get worse, do risk assessments on daily basis to find possible weak spots and pressures to make things better. Next, go over and run. Post-incident analysis. After big incidents, you should do thorough studies to find out what went well, what could be done better. Also, the company can keep getting better by using what it learns from analyzing what happened after the fact to improve its crisis management procedures all the time. By using these steps and elements, Netflix can have a complete social media strategy and be ready for any disaster. This way, the company can stay in charge of its own presence and connect with its audience effectively.
We conclude our video presentation on developing an effective social media strategy and preparing for successful social media activities. It is evident that social media has transformed the way organizations communicate, engage, and build relationships with their target audience. We have explored the key elements of a well-structured social media strategy, including defining goals, understanding the target audience, selecting the right platform, creating engaging content, and fostering community engagement. By implementing these steps, organizations can establish a strong online presence, enhance brand awareness, and cultivate meaningful connection with their stakeholders. Additionally, we emphasize the importance of preparation to avoid reactive social media activities by developing a social media policy, creating a crisis management plan, utilizing social listening tools, and fostering collaboration. Organizations can navigate the dynamic social media landscape with confidence and respond effectively to an unexpected event. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the world of social media strategy and preparation. We hope the insight and practical tips provided will empower you to leverage the power of social media effectively and achieve your organization goals. Thank you for listening.